class, good morning. We'll start the exercise of chapter 1. Question answer we have completed before it. So chapter 1 is types of plant. In types of plant, the question number 1 is tick the correct answer. The first question is which of the following is a herb? There are 3 options: banyan, coconut, mint. So our right answer will be the mint. Question number 2. Plants are generally black, red, green. Children, everywhere when you see the plant, then it is in green color. So there are also 3 options. So correct answer is green. Question number 3. Seeds are present in. किसमें seeds present होते हैं? So seeds are present in roots, leaves or fruits. Whenever you eat fruit, so you can get one seed or more than one. So fruit is the part there seed will present. So right answer will be the fruit. Now question number 2 or B, fill in the blanks with correct words. There are some options and there are some blanks. So one number is a tree has thick, hard and woody stem called trunk. Answer is trunk. Number 2, dash have many branches rising from the ground. So answer will be the shrubs. Shrubs के बहुत सारे branches होते हैं जो ground से निकलते हैं. Number 3, herbs live only for a few months. Type of plant herb that are live only for the months, not for years. So the third answer is herbs. Answer 4 is leaves. Leaves are called the kitchen of plant because the leaves is prepare the food for the plant. So can plant will live long. So answer will be the leaves. Number 5, absorb water and minerals from the soil. So answer will be the roots. Roots work is to absorb water and mineral from the soil for plants. So answer will be the roots. So question number C. Answer the following question. Answer the following question already we have done in the notebook. I have given you on WhatsApp group. So that is no need to do in the book. Other exercise you have to do in the book only. No need to write on in notebook. So let us do from the let us do we will do that matching. In matching you have to do one thing like flower, that is the picture of flower. You have to write here flower and flower work is produce fruit. क्या वर्क है फ्लावर का? वो प्लांट्स के लिए फ्रूट बनाता है. लीव्स नंबर 2 लीव्स, तो आपको देर इज ओनली वन लीफ, तो लीफ यू हैव टू राइट LEAF लीफ. लीव्स वर्क इज मेक्स फूड. अभी हमने जस्ट पढ़ा है लीव्स आर द किचन ऑफ प्लांट. सो लीफ इज the right answer for leaves makes food. Now third number is fruit. That is pomegranate, but we can call it fruit. So fruits work is has seed inside. Fruit में बहुत सारे बीज होते हैं, seed होते हैं. So fruits matching is seed inside. Number 4, seeds are there. So seeds grow into a new plant. What is the work of seed? When we sow the seed in soil, then new plants will grow up. Okay. And number 5 is that is root of the plant. So we will have to write root here, and roots work is absorb water and mineral. Just we have read in Phillips. So that answer is root absorb. एक बार और मैं आपको सामने इसको रिपीट करती हूँ. फ्लावर प्रोड्यूस फ्रूट, लीफ मेक्स फूड, fruits has seed inside, seed grows into a new plant, roots absorb water and mineral. Now last one is, this is the last one only, and you have to do these question only for this chapter. So chapter 1 is fully completed. You can learn it now. So tomorrow we will do chapter 2. Okay, thanks.